gustong mangyari ng parehong koponan, makalamang over the other.
And here is the setup now for Jovelyn Gonzaga. Differential play works. Mina Aganon was also a big factor para sa koponan ng Cagayan Valley doon, or rather from Philippine Army. Hindi na naglaro si Rachel Andakis
Oo
no
nga,
second set.
nag-stick sila with Mina Aganon.
And they're starting with Mina Aganon here once again. Tina Salak, service error. Mahirap naman yung binabalak niya, down the line serve. If it's One Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Well, praktisado na rin over the years, but of course, yun nga, no, very risky.
Good serve there coming from Chisaet. Gonzaga, top spin move. Saet is there. Pineda, upset for Tabaquero. Agno. Salak, Santiago. Basa naman ni Chisaet. Tinawid na lang ni Gonzaga. Quick set now to Amporn. Bigyan mo na madaling bola Cagayan. Sa quicker agad sila pupunta.
Oo, and why not, ano, if you have the likes of Amporn there in the front line.
So 2-1, Lady Rising Suns. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Saet. Nakakadalawa na si Chisaet, and that's rare.
Knowing that very high percentage din sa service, ano.
Now Dindin.
Santiago, oo. Siya ang top scorer ngayon ng Philippine Army with 7 points.
Here's Tabaquero into the net. Ang dami net error nito magkabilang koponan. Kung hindi net violation, net error. Or not over, ika nga kay Coach Roger. 3-2. Nakakuha ulit ng Army ang kalamangan. Dindin to serve. That's a good read there coming from Sangmuang. Akala ko papasok na sa sulok eh.
It looked like, pero yung ball lumutang palabas.
Yung floater, sometimes it works for you, sometimes it works against you. Tied at 3. Amporn, Balse, Salak, Gonzaga, Amporn, Saet, Maizo, Gonzaga, Salak, Balse.
Simpleng-simple. Siging.
Minsan yung mga nakakagulat na kilos yung pa yung nakakapuntos eh.
Pinatawanan lang din ni Ging. Look at this. Alanganin kasi. Hindi sila nagkaintindihan dun sa set.
Papunta na ng zone 1 yung mga ibang player nun. Now Mina Aganon. Good serve once again. Pineda. Back set ngayon. Aiza Maizo. Dug up there by Salak. And that shot by Bautista goes out. So parang kapaan na naman ang nangyayari dito sa pagsimula nitong ating third set.
And both teams, mas mabagal ng konti yung umpisa.
Well, Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League, tied at 4. Tied at 1 set apiece. Bautista off the net. Great dig from Tabaquero. Free ball given up by Sangmuang. Sala, quick set to Balse again. You give them a free ball, automatic. Pupunta sa gitna yan. 5-4 Army. So Jovelyn Gonzaga once again. Saet. Maizo turned back there by Balse. Saet, balik ulit kay Maizo. Agno nandun. Salak. Balse, gitna. Naabangan doon isang muang. And Aiza Maizo puts it away.
Naunahan ni Maizo itong si Salak.
5-all ang ating score. And for all the brilliance ni Aiza Maizo sa larong ito, quiet pa rin siya. Ha?
Oo nga eh.
And again, a service error.
A lot of errors in the early part of this third set.
Gwyneth Eulalio making her first appearance in this game para sa Cagayan Valley. Pinahinga muna si Amporn. Balse. Nice serve. Saet. Sang Muang, lusot na naman. Pagandahan ng first ball ito para sa magkabilang koponan.
Pag maganda ang first ball, pareho silang maraming options.
So Agno and Pineda doing well. And now Kenneth Eulalio out of FEU.
It's Amporn and Sang Muang.
Here's Salak now. Santiago out of nowhere. Nabangan naman ni Amporn.
Yun ang payong. It's like hitting the ball straight into a wall.
Kita naman natin dito the experience of Amporn Hayapa. Offensive block.
Oo, tsaka yung tunog no?
Buti hindi nag-down the line do si Dindin.
Balik yun.
Oo. 7-6 Cagayan Valley. Eulalio, good serve again. Aganon. Sala, combination. Bautista. And another violation. This is a net violation on Chisaet. 7-all. Bautista trying to give Army the lead going into the first technical timeout of this set. Running attack, Amporn. Santiago. Salak. Running attack naman ni Dindin. No problem. 8-7. Philippine Army up by 1. Kami po ay magbabalik.
To continue to minimize their errors para hindi nila mabigyan ng hindi magkaroon ng momentum ang Cagayan or Lady Rising Suns. He said that because they were able to control the errors and they had better reception and defense in the second set, kaya nila nakuha ito. And Coach Ness naman on the other hand told the Lady Rising Suns that they need to organize themselves inside the court. Importante na magkaroon sila ng magandang defense at magandang receive para makagawa sila ng play at makaupensa. They were also reminded of the right positions inside the court para hindi sila namamatayan ng bola. Anan Noel?
Well, again, the position is working. Pero the thing is, yung opensa, panaka-naka rin para sa magkabilang koponan. This has just been a series of errors para sa kanila. Now that we're tied at 8. So ngayon, Pachari Sang Muang. Gonzaga. Salak, running attack din. Yes. And Coach Ness is now talagang mina-micromanage na yung depensa nila.
At talagang ito nagbibigay rin ng instructions sa sideline. Yun ang nagiging problema nila ngayon. That's something that they quickly need to address. Lalo pat ang nasa front line ngayon is Gonzaga, Santiago, na ganon.
Here's the runner by Amporn. Sent back by Santiago. Here's Tabaquero. Oy, walang tao sa likuran. Butas na naman. 9-all. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger Katol ang gamitin. Proudly Philippine made. Good serve by Saet. Salak. Santiago. Maizo. Amporn off the block. Salak. Gonzaga kinapos. Nauna na lumundog si Gonzaga. Nakita niya na, ay nako, dami nakaabang sa akin.
Oo, pwedeng actually tinansya niya, pero kinulang.
Right. 10-9. The Shakey's feeling is powered by Motolite battery. Pangmatagalan. Salak leaves it for Gonzaga again. Nababasa na yung play ng Philippine Army. Here's Tabaquero. Bautista buys enough time for everybody to get there. Running attack para kay Amporn. Kuwang-kuha na ni Chisaet yung height na gusto ni Amporn for this run.
Look at that. Great angle by Amporn.
11-9 ang ating score. Cagayan Valley up. Aganon. Sala, quick set to Santiago. Amporn on the push and Amporn will score.
Finally, a series of points here for Amporn.
Dinadaan na naman niya sa experience, of course, being part of that Thai national team. Good serve again, kaling dito kay Salak. Running attack, din Santiago. Baba sa dalawa ang abante rito ngayon ng Rising Suns. And ito si Dindin Santiago now to serve. Nakapanibago, number 4 yung suot ni Dindin eh. No?
Oh, different jersey number.
Tabakero, Salak, combination play. Aganon, naabangan doon ni Amporn. Back set, Aganon, drops it over Amporn. Nandun naman si Chisaet. Tabakero, yes!
Cagayan playing smart volleyball. Kita natin, the series of points that they've gotten so far. Lahat pinupwesto nila yung bola.
Makita mo naman dito, no doubt about that being in from Kapitana. Here's the serve from Amporn. Balse, Salak, back set, Gonzaga. Maizo, off the net, lalabas. So ito, gagawa ng kalamangan itong Cagayan Valley. Uunti-unti naman ito sa Philippine Army.
Dinadaan naman sa tiyaga, no, paghabol. But nonetheless, I think what's working right now for Cagayan is that they're just basically playing smart. And Philippine Army, medyo nahirapan lang ng konti because of some errors as well, ano, pati sa defensive position.
Good cover there by Pineda. Saet. Maizo delays it. Gonzaga, hindi na hindintay. Yung kanyang mga kakampi, tumira na. Tabakero, lusot.
Tabakero, very effective here in the third set.
14-11. Nakaset na doon yung depensa, nailusot pa rin niya, no?
At in between pa, talaga the blockers.
If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Salak. Balse! Bawian!
Sabi ni Salak, dinadaan nyo kami sa bilis, ha? Eto, isang quick play.
Kaya nga, tsaka parati sa dulo na pinapapunta yung bola. Where no man is there. Or no woman in this case. Guapa. Bang. Chi. Weneth. Dug up there by Tin. Nene. Isa na lang po ang abante rito ng Cagayan Valley. And Gonzaga serving once again. Eulalio fields it. Here's Sang Muang. Gonzaga will buy enough time for Agano to track this down. Free ball from Agno. Maizo could not get the timing right. Just like that, tabla na tayo, 14-all. Gonzaga ngayon trying to give Philippine Army the lead. Short serve. Saet. Sangwang. Malakas. At ang kalamangan mapupunta na po sa Lady Troopers. Kani-kanina lamang, Cagayan Valley was leading 14-11.
Ganun kabilis and talagang trinabaho rin ng Philippine Army. Let's see how Cagayan will respond.
Gonzaga with a good serve. Saet. Sangmuang, yes! Nilalagay lang ni Sangmuang sa mga pwesto na alam niyang maalangan ng mga tao humabol.
At kanina pa rin naging target yung down the line area ng Philippine Army. Ha? Walang adjustment sa pwesto ng depensa ng Philippine Army so far.
Well, ito ngayon, si Marciano will return along with Giselle C. Trying to give the Lady Rising Suns the lead once again. Gonzaga, Salak, tatawid. Nandun naman si Pineda. Sangmuang, Pineda plays it. Giselle C from the open, Marciano. Marciano loses out to Salak. Galing likod, Tabakero. Salak, oh, great block there by Eulalio.
And good coverage by Gonzaga.
Still alive though. Marciano, kinapos. So after all of that, dito po sa ating third set, Army 16, Cagayan Valley 15, Noel Zarate po. Kasama po ang Remulla Sisters. Game 1 of the finals dito po sa ating women's division as Ging Balse hits into a service error. So gano'n, puntos, error.
Error,
puntos, error.
Palitan lang. At mukhang mag-uunahan itong Philippine Army and Cagayan here in the third set. It's like a seesaw battle.
So far. Here's Gwyneth Eulalio. Salak, back set, Bautista, single block from Janine Marciano. Timing nitong batang to, ibang klase. (17-16). Eulalio. Salak, Eulalio to the rescue, but Dindin says, thank you very much.
That's a point for Philippine Army.
And now Bautista to serve. Grabe, oh. Yung score natin. 1-all, 17-all.
Palitan nga lang no? Dikitan.
The Shakey's feeling is powered by Motolite battery pang matagalan. Tabakero on the reception. Giselle C. Oy! Bigla na lang lumundag itong si Amporn at natawa siya sa sarili niya.
Medyo maiksi rin yung set kasi ni Giselle C. No? So, inabot lang din ni Amporn. But nonetheless, it's a point.
And Amporn starting to contribute in terms of offense. Here's Salak now. Running attack. Dindin, hulog.
Trying to keep it simple, Noel.
Yung mga off-speed na hulog na ganyan, minsan mas effective pa yan kaysa malakas na palo. 18-all. Walang iwanan. Ang kumurap, pangit.
At sa ngayon, kailangan talaga yung Philippine Army, they need to show how they play smart volleyball. Dahil kung depensa ang pag-uusapan, itong Cagayan Valley actually has a higher percentage when it comes to defense at this point, no? Compared to them.
On that time, Amporn able to get one through again. And palitan tayo ng tao dito. Balik ulit si Aiza Maizo Pontillas and Chisait. Good serve again coming there from Saet. Dindin, Sang Muang. Saet going to Tabakero. Habol si Salak. Aganon off the net. Wow, what a dig by Pineda. Oh, double touch against Chisait. Again, a heroic dig para dito kay Bang Pineda. Pero yun nga, error na naman sa kanyang team. 19-all. Dindin. Oh, kanina pa to 19-all, 18-all, 17-all. Lahat na ng all nadaan na natin. Di pa lang natin nadadaanan si Olsen Racela. Belated happy birthday. Pasok ano? Belated happy birthday. Olsen Racela, Cesar Malapitan, ang hari ng pansit at barbecue sa San Juan Arena.
Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat. Coach Jolie pa at Mr. Bong Barameda. Mga November 1. Ako, November na. Bear.
Burr months.
Yan na.
Well, nakailang Burr months na naman tayo. Pero ito talaga ngayon, malapit ng Pasko.
21-19. Cagayan Valley now taking advantage of the errors against the Philippine Army. So maramdaman yung Bear, punta kang Tagaytay. Yun.
Diba? Weather bagyo.
That is right. Dito kaya sa Thailand, kung nasa Thailand kayo, wag po kayo sa Bangkok. Mainit niya sa Chiang Mai kayo pupunta. Doon malamig. Salak, Gonzaga, nabawi.
Kailangan, no? Kung magre-react ang Philippine Army, dapat ngayon na.
Right. And now Mina Aganon trying to tie it up sa kanyang serve. Sangmuang, Saet, Maizo off the hands of Balse. (22-20). Tabakero, Kapitana, gusto nang mang-iwan dito. Good serve. Salak. Oh, Gonzaga almost took off the head of Pineda.
Great combination play.
22-21. Kita mo naman out of nowhere. At si Pineda, alam mo, mawiwiplas na. Oh.
Pero alam mo, credit that to the good reception. Hindi man lang gumalaw si Tina Salak sa pwesto niya.
Same thing here now with the reception by Pineda for Saet. Sang Muang. And here's Bautista. Naabangan doon ni Maizo. Third ball coming up. Combination, Sangmuang. Bautista. Salak, mamimigay. Habol si Angge. Sangmuang. Maizo. Still alive. Salak. Yulalio.
Hindi bumitiw si Yulalio at the net.
Palu, overlooking. Parang the Greek gods. From Olympus.
Nasa likod
overlooking.
natin.
Nasa likod natin. Magkamali lang tayo. It's for the fans. Oh! Bad attack there coming from Bautista. Now 3-set points for Cagayan Valley. Another timeout for Rico de Guzman. Nila nagawa in Metro Manila yon.
And it could just be this conference.
Kasi sa CFG, Cagayan Friendship Games nga. Kaya nga Cagayan Friendship Games, doon sa Cagayan nagaganap yon. Triple set point for Aiza Maizo Pontillas. Sure serve, Aganon. Sarah Jane Gonzalez seeing her first action. Chisaet, pinangat naman ni Bautista. Gonzalez, Balse on the drop. Kept alive. Sangmuang. Go! Sangmuang, hindi na angat yun ni Agno. And look at this, Cagayan Valley now takes a 2-set